Good evening. Today I would like to demonstrate the features of my app mNutrition. This is a fully functional prototype of the app and is able to diagnose malnutrition as well as its severity on the basis of the parameters entered. We would start with the home page where there are a couple of entries already entered. As you can see, the entries display the name of the child as well as the severity of malnutrition which the child suffers from. Let's go ahead and start by entering a new entry into the database. Now we have some sample data that we're going to enter. So we're just going to start by entering the pin code of the area which the child comes from. So there goes that. Now the sample data that we have is of a boy named Arjun. So let's go ahead and enter his name. His gender is a boy, so we'll put that in there. His date of birth is the 23rd of July 2015. So let's put that in there as well. So 23rd and 2015. We can leave these blanks empty for now and we'll move on to the next page, which is the page where the weight, height and the mUAC is entered. So mUAC is the mid-upper arm circumference and is a measure of or an indicator of malnutrition which the WHO has designated. According to the WHO, any level of mUAC below 115 millimeters can be considered as severe malnutrition. And for the weight and height, I've used the WHO 2006 weight to height tables, which consist of a complex tabulation, which I have digitized into a set of integer arrays. So let's just go ahead and enter the sample data. So the child's weight is 7.1 kgs. His height is 70 centimeters and his mUAC is 120 millimeters. So as you can see, the child suffers from moderate malnutrition with a risk factor of -2. So this risk factor is essentially the standard deviation on the chart. So the child has places a standard deviation of -2 on the WHO charts. Now, if we went back and edited the information so that his weight was around 6 kgs and his mUAC was around 113 millimeters, we can see that the child suffers from severe malnutrition with a risk factor of -3 or a standard deviation of -3. However, if we went back and changed it again to with a weight of 8 kgs or 8.5 and a mUAC of 130 millimeters, we can see that the child is in a normal condition, which means he doesn't suffer from malnutrition. As well, he also has a standard deviation of 0 on the table or a risk factor of 0, which means that he is not at risk of malnutrition. This information can either then be edited or saved in a database for future use. And those are the features of the app. Thank you.